Jack Cardiff was the undisputed poet of Technicolor, the man who gave Black Narcissus and the Red Shoes their shimmering, otherworldly glow. With The Girl on a Motorcycle, he turns his legendary eye towards the swinging 60s to create a sensory, drug-fueled odyssey of liberation and doom. The story is a streamlined internal monologue. Marianne Faithfull stars as Rebecca, a performance of fragile porcelain doll beauty trapped in a fur-lined leather jumpsuit. Abandoning her mundane marriage in the early morning fog, she straddles her Harley Davidson and guns it towards her lover in Germany, the man who gifted her the bike in the first place. The lover is played by Alain Delon, who embodies a cold, narcissistic intellectualism. To Rebecca, he is the destination. To the film, he is merely the catalyst for a high-speed disintegration. Cardiff's directorial style is pure psychedelic expressionism, taking a left turn at traditional road movie motifs to deliver a kaleidoscope of solarized colours, hallucinogenic editing and distorted lenses. The bike isn't just transportation, it is an extension of Rebecca's burgeoning sexual and spiritual agency. The roar of the engine and the vibration of the road become the film's heartbeat, a rhythmic mechanical pulse that propels her away from the safety of domesticity and toward the abyss. Girl on a Motorcycle is a film of textures, the glint of chrome, the grain of leather, and the multicolour blur of the European countryside. Cardiff's camera interrogates the line between freedom and self-destruction. Rebecca's journey is a cinematic trial where the witnesses are the blurred asphalt and the haunting solarised ghosts of her own memories. Fans of the film will be delighted that Kino has re-released Girl on a Motorcycle on Blu-ray, but with a massive 4K upgrade direct from the master, which betters the previous poor encode and noise-reduced version on every front, and allows the visuals to properly look filmic again. Ultimately, Girl on a Motorcycle is a stylish, tragic, and utterly mod explosion of desire, a film that understands that the ultimate price of total freedom is often met with a tragic destiny. That's all from us at The Last Disc on Earth, and remember, come the apocalypse, physical media will prevail.